Speak version equals 1.0 XML, lang equals ENUS. Voice name equals NUS Kineural. Prosody rate equals -9%, pitch equals -1 Hz. Okay, quick thing before we start. I didn't expect much from this top world premiere Ulefone, but its break time equals 180 ms / actually pretty solid, break time equals 180 ms / honestly. Build wise it feels better, emphasis level equals moderate than /emphasis expected. It kinda blends into any setup naturally, break time equals 450 ms /. A few things stood out to me. It worked smoothly without much setup, break time equals 450 ms /. Now about the price. It feels fair for what you get. You can check the specs in the description. Anyway, thanks for watching. /prosody /voice /speak